We've all been there. When you're driving down a city road and a squirrel pops out of nowhere, you gotta brake fast. Oh no!
So what we want to find out is, if we're traveling at a constant city speed of 50 kilometers an hour, how far back do we have to stop so we know we won't hit the squirrel?
We know that our final velocity will be 0 kilometers per hour, and we know that it took us approximately 1.8 seconds to stop skidding completely.
We obtain this data by conducting a road test.
First, we need to find out at what rate the car slows down with full brakes applied.
We calculated the acceleration of braking by looking at how long it took for the car to go from 50 to 0 kilometers per hour at full braking force.
After converting from kilometers per hour to meters per second, we were able to determine that our average acceleration was negative 7.8 meters per second squared.
We then used the acceleration to determine how much space we would need to not hit a squirrel if we were traveling at 50 kilometers an hour and had to brake at full force.
We were able to determine that after applying the brakes at full force, we skid 13 meters before coming to a complete stop. Therefore, we need to apply the brakes 13 meters in front of the squirrel in order to not hit it.
We decided to give it a shot. We went 50 kilometers per hour and stopped as hard as we could. We then measured the distance of the stop.
In our road test, we found that the car stopped in about 10 meters, which is only 3 off from the data we calculated. This discrepancy is likely due to human error, as I may have pressed the brake too early or taken my foot off the gas too soon. This is very valuable information we can apply to our everyday driving. If we look at this information, we can understand how far ahead we should be looking to spot any hazards that might be entering the roadway.
Gang!